Alright, another wheel on this Lexus where it was degreased and washed immediately after I had painted it the other day on the repair. You can see it just took the paint right off. Just have to let that clear coat cure first. But again, we might have to sand this. I'm going to try to just scuff it out. I think we can get that smooth enough with the scuff pad. While I'm doing this, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button. Shoot some fresh paint on this in just a minute. A little bit more here at the bottom. Alright. And we'll just take our rag and wipe this wheel off. And again, this is the dark hyper paint. It should be linked in the description below. If not, it will be shortly. Then we will cover that fresh paint with clear coat. And again, this needs to sit for a couple days before it gets washed. Once that clear coat cures though, you can wash it just like normal.